Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the LaColors highlighting trios. These were new to my Dollar Tree. I found 4 of them. There may be more. I found these highlighting trios at the Dollar Tree for $1 each. $1 for 3 highlighters? Come on. Some of the packaging on these as a whole is a little difficult to open. Not terribly though. They come with the silicone sponge tip applicators like for eyeshadow. They don't come with brushes, so I thought that was kind of strange, and then being highlight palettes. But technically you could use these as eyeshadows or just the highlighters as suggested. The packaging says, apply powder on areas to highlight features. Highlight your best features with a soft shimmery finish. These are anything but soft shimmeries. These are in your face, blam, see the highlight from outer space. And I am so shocked at how great these are. Yes, they're absolutely fabulous. You need to find them, especially these two. Those are my favorite. As a whole, all of these highlighters are smooth and kind of creamy soft powders. Now some might be chunkier or powderier than others, but honestly, I always say for $1 there's not much complaining you can do there, especially with how they apply. They're easily blended out. They apply so nicely and so concentrated and pigmented. You just wouldn't believe that these came from a dollar store. We're gonna start here, and I do have videos and at least one picture to pair with each of these trios to show you how pigmented and glowy they are. This one is Time to Glow. Now this one here is a beautiful metallic bronzy trio, and these are all nice and soft. They are smooth powders. This middle shade here is kind of chunky, and it has a kind of glitter metallic finish. The other shades are just shimmery in this one, but this one has a slight glitter chunk to it. Also, this is the only one for my fair skin tone I can get away with using as the highlight, and these two may be bronzers, but I'm not really that into shimmery bronzers, so that's the highlight shade that I use in this particular palette. And these are perfect for that gorgeous summer glow. Oh my, this is gonna make you look like a golden domestic goddess. These are so nice, you guys. You have to check them out. Now this one here is called Candlelight. Now this is the trio that's like an everyday natural trio. These are your basic highlighters. They're soft shades, but you have your basic golden, peachy, and pink shade highlighters. These are very pretty and perfect for every day. My favorite is the middle shade here. It's like a beautiful peachy shade with this like undertone of pinky red. I don't know how to describe it, but it's gorgeous, and I've used it the most in this palette. It's so pretty. Next we have Enlightened. Now this is fabulous. absolutely fabulous. This is one that I'd say if you are just looking to own a couple of them, definitely pick up Enlightened. These are iridescent shades. Yes, can you believe that? For $1? These are what you would consider your duochrome shades, your iridescent shades, and what some would describe as a holographic, but these are not holographic. These are a bit powdery, but you know, it's okay. These are not technically like your normal, like these highlighters. These are more like if you're more out there. If you want that sheen of blue or green, purpley look on your cheeks, I mean, each to their own. I absolutely love this. I've used it several times as well. This trio is truly unique, especially for $1. You have a red, a green, and a purpley blue down there. And they might not look like that on camera, but they're like, they kind of have that frosty white look, but the undertone is different. If you know what I'm talking about in an iridescent shade. I cannot believe how stunning these shades are. The opal in that trio also has glitter in it. This shade here has a bit of glitter in it. You know, but it's still super beautiful. Actually, that's the shade I use most. It is more on the red side as well, and it just looks fabulous with a coral or peach blush. Moving on to Wild Child. Now this is the other trio that I would 100% recommend picking up if you only want to get two of them, Enlightened and Wild Child. They're awesome. Now Wild Child is a bit powdery like the other ones too. There is a white silvery kind of metallic shade here. It's kind of chunky. So I mean like chunky in the way where it's like super metallic, and those chunks can get everywhere. This palette here is definitely different as well because it has a very blue highlight shade in there. You get that really white, stunning, reflective white silvery shade here, which is gorgeous by the way. You get this unconventional blue, but honestly it does work. It's very light and you can make it subtle, but it's really pretty on the cheeks too. And then this beautiful goldeny peachy tone, but it also has red glitter in it, so it's definitely different. But I really love it with my peach and coral blushes. It's just amazing. Wild Child and Enlightened. Those are my two favorite, and that's a go-to if you're not a fan of like out of the norm kind of highlighters. I would definitely recommend Candlelight for my everyday. And yes, that's it. These are fantabulous. I wonder if there's more shades. Let me know in the comment section below. I've absolutely loved every minute I've used these and was absolutely shocked when I opened them and swatched them. Also, there will be swatches in this video. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you found the video helpful. Let me know if you have any other comments or questions in the comment section below. Also, these wear all day long, and mine never budged. They still stayed really nice and highlighted and scrumptious on the cheeks. So yes, absolutely love them. Love, 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 love. You definitely have to check these out.